I'm Jump Master. I'd say fasten your seatbelts, but it's not that kind of ride.
Oh, this lag. You know, I love.
Another soft landing.
Yep, so we're. Or no, getting. Defying gravity.
We spot a border. Me and you are down. If this were a beauty contest, well, you still would have lost.